Is total distance really that important? At some clubs, it's the first GPS metric that the players will look to after a game. But is it really telling us the full story? Do we really need GPS to tell us that midfielders cover more total distance than defenders, or that AFL athletes cover more total distance than rugby athletes, or that starting players cover more total distance than substitute players? Instead of focusing on total distance, a lot of industry experts are now focusing on high-speed running, and that includes the percentage of total distance completed at those higher speeds. Think of this high-speed running percentage as our quality of work, so it's the most physically demanding running. Okay, so in a practical sense, in the case of SPT, we could make our high-speed running KPI as any distances above zone 4. So we've got our total distance up here, and if we scroll down to our zones 4, 5 and 6. So what we'll do next is extract all of that data onto a really simple Excel spreadsheet, and we've got our 4 players that have completed a game here. We've plugged in their total distance data, we've gone their zone 4, 5 and 6, and then that high speed running distance is just the sum of those 3 zones together. Then to work it out as a percentage, all we need to do is simply divide that high speed running distance by the total distance and then times it by 100 to see that calculation as a percentage. So if we scroll down to these 2 graphs here, at first glance it looks like players A and B have completed the most amount of significant work in that game. But once we delve a little deeper and look into the high speed running percentage, we can actually see that it's players C and D that have completed the most amount of quality running loads. So we've filtered out the noise per se, and we're only looking at what we want to look at now. Give this type of GPS analysis a try next time you train or play, and let us know how you go.